The line will high-five you. The RPMs are going to come up now, and the black smoke will be flying. All right, nothing wrong there other than needs some more RPMs. So obviously he's going to turn down that first hook. It's a 2150, Oliver. That would be about 1960 for Wesley tire. Clocks. I'll be darned. Thank you very much. All right, better luck this time for Thomas Bedgar out of Glen Rock, Pennsylvania, driving buzzard bait. That Cummins is hot now. How about a hand for him, folks? The first time I've seen him drive it. A lot of difference between that and that big Super Stock 1066. Back in March is here tonight. He's out of Windsor, or Lothian, Maryland. And he's driving Ray Norris's well-armed 4255 John Deere here tonight. This is going to be a wild ride. All right, he didn't like that, but he's not used to it. Although it didn't feel right, he got out of the throttle in time to back up and have a second attempt. Now, all we got to remind him is he wants to drop down. I believe he wants to unhook and take his second attempt a little later. How about it? Women are good at that too, aren't they, Mrs. Smart? What's up? What year? Yes, sir. 1973 is the first year for a John Deere suitcase weight, young man. You're welcome. Here comes the Grub Killer, a Case 970. In it now. The cornfield Cadillac waiting on a green flag. Here goes that sharp Atlantic John Deere and the Wesley Tire Company roller, and he is ready to let her rip. Push the clutch in. Oh, I hope he stops. He's getting a whole lot better bite on that track out there than he anticipated, and he's about the third guy to figure that out, so they're going to back him up and let him have a second attempt. The old saying goes, it works. I think it's working better than the sound system. And the sound system box is locked, so I can't adjust it. Better look this time for the cornfield Cadillac. Now he's got a bad injector or a broken line or something. You can hear it's a 5-cylinder now, maybe only a 4. He's going to need a tow tractor. Ouch, for the green flag. See if he can meter beat 279.2. That's that orange cone over on the far side of the track. Bedgar taking a photographer around through the grounds there. Did they get you, Kevin? They got Kevin Windsor on a John Deere earlier. Here comes the Pack and Heat John Deere. 1466. The black stripe makes her a 75 or 6 model. Still looking good after all these years. Nick said, so am I. Let's see if I can get it out front. That orange cone is now at 284.49. So 285 would just make him a happy guy. Let's see if this red binder can do it. It's called Toxic. He's right there. How about a nice hand for Nick Morrison? A heck of a run, but no. But they're looking for John Dugan. Where is he? Out there he is. The Cool Ray is out there checking track conditions too, and I guess they're checking out these 4-wheel drive trucks up here. Well, the old 1206 had 361 cubic inches. The shed shaker right here has 466. Watch this thing go. It is a ripper. Brian Morrison, last year's points champion. He's a former champion, but Brian right here was last year's points champion. So this is Cummins power also, if I'm not mistaken. You're going to hear that distinctive buzz here shortly. With Luke Gladhill from Union Bridge, Maryland, Weapon X. Second time I've seen it go. Oh, he's got a lot of bounce going on there. It could be that the tires are pretty stiff. I don't know, but they look a little bit stiff, and that's going to cost him a few feet. But how about a hand for the young man? He's got to learn how to do it. And the only way you can learn 3. And they painted it white. And it still exists, folks. This is a replica. It's called Bull's Binder. Out of Ridgely, Maryland, this is Doug Heyman. Looking good and running good here tonight. 276.65